Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn how to crochet an applique of a crocodile. So let's start with the magic circle. Chain 4, work 14 treble crochets into the ring. For a treble crochet we will yarn over twice, go into the ring, pull up a loop, pull it through 2-3 times. So this is the treble crochet. So I will work total 15 treble crochets into the ring. 15 treble crochets are completed. Now you will just pull this strand to close it and make a slip stitch on the top of the 4th chain. That was the first treble crochet. This is completed. Now I will make a chain of 10. This is the body of my crocodile. Now I will make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet into half double crochet into the next. Half double crochet into the next. Double crochet in the next. 2 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. A treble crochet in the next. One more double treble crochet in the next. Slip stitch in the second chain from the starting point. Chain 1. Go into the very first stitch, pull up a loop. Please watch carefully. Go into the stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop. So this is how I will work into all these 10 stitches. I'm just going into a stitch and pulling up a loop and leaving it on the hook. Without yarning over, I'm just going into stitches. So I will just leave last 2 stitches. Pull it through first loop. Now yarn over, go into the 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through 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 2 loops. 2 loops left. Yarn over and pull it through these 2 loops also. Now slip stitch into the next stitch. Body is completed. It's very easy. So this is the main body. Now I will work the face. Okay, here is my body and now I will start working on face. I will make another magic circle. Chain 3 to begin the first round. 9 double crochets into the ring. That means total 10 double crochets. Pull the strand and make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. 1 single crochet into the same stitch and 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches. Three and 4. One more, 5. Next row starts with a chain 1, turn, work 1 single crochet in every stitch. That means at the end of this row I have 5 single crochets. 4 and 5. From the next row we will start decreasing. Chain 1, turn, go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, go into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 3 loops. That means this is a decreasing double crochet, one decreasing single crochet, one single crochet in the next. In the last two I will work again a decreasing single crochet, chain 1, first stitch would be a decreasing single crochet and the last would be a simple single crochet. Just cut the yarn, weave the ends, and then I will show you what to do next. So I will attach it here with the help of yarn needle. I will just attach it on this way. Now I will make a round of slip stitches. Chain 1, go into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. I will work one slip stitch into each stitch around this face. Just go into the stitch, pull up a loop and pull it through the stitch on the hook. So I am working one slip stitch into each stitch. So this is how the same way we will work on the body. We will work one slip stitch into each stitch except the upper stitches. So this is done. Now with the help of yarn needle, I will sew eyes. Take the white color yarn and work eyes with the daisy stitch. This is an embroidery stitch. If you want, you can paste the eyes on it, but I like to sew it on it. It looks more real, more beautiful, but it's just my thinking. You can do it as your own. So this is how I will make both eyes. I am making it a little bulgy because crocodile has these round and bulgy eyes. So I am just working on more loops because I need a little bulgy and big eyes. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills. Don't forget to click the bell and please like and share my videos with others. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. I will address all your problems and I will try to solve them, try to explain it properly. So this is how both the eyes are completed. Now I will just cut the yarn, weave the ends. Here is the body. We will, with this white yarn, we will make these marks on the lower side of my body. As you can see, just simply working on these simple marks. Just cut yarn and weave the ends because it's a small applique, so we need to just make it a little nicely clean. Okay, as you can see, I'm done with eyes and now I will just make the black marks on it. I've attached the head. It's adjustable, it's movable, so if you desire, as per your desire, you can move it around and you can adjust the shape of the head. So I am going to make these little marks on it. These are the eyeballs. I want to sew it. If you want, you can paste eyes on it. So it's just as per your own desire. So I will make both eyeballs. And now I will be working on the nose marks. These two little marks for the nose. Just watch carefully. And please, as I always say, that please be careful while working with the needle. It can hurt you. So please be careful. Okay, this is completed. I hope you have liked it. It's the same as I've shown you in my previous tutorial. It's a little big in the size because that was suiting to my little house. So it's a little big. but the tutorial is same. I hope you can understand the tutorial, you are liking it. It's little crocodile applique. I hope you have liked it. For any query you can ask me in comment section. So my crocodile applique is completed. I hope you have liked it. Please subscribe Crochet Skills. Don't forget to click the bell. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.